Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, if you know me, you know I have an issue with, it's a problem, we've talked about it before. I love blush a lot. I like cream blush, I like blush, color for my face, you know what I mean? I ordered, I forgot who posted it on Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, it looks really nice. And it's not anything new. It's never anything new, because when things are new, sometimes I buy them, sometimes I don't buy them, and then years down the line, I end up buying them, and I'm like, oh my god, okay. The e.l.f. Active Workout Palette, it is still on their website. I saw somebody, they picked it up, and they were swatching it, and I was like, that is gorgeous, and right up my alley. So, I got it. I think it only comes in one shade. It's called Gym Chic. I'm going to open it up. It does retail. Hold on. Let me get you information. It does retail for $8. And it basically says, create your whole face of the day. Get out the door with an all-in-one palette. It's customizable, high pigment shades designed to pop on any skin tone. It's breathable performance, sweat resistant, won't clog pores. I don't know, that's a pretty big claim to say. I'm sorry, I have like a hair on my face. I'm getting it because I like the color. So this is what it looks like. Now, I had swatched these before and I accidentally deleted that video, so I'm going to have to re-swatch them again for you guys. But it does come with a little, like, lip brush. It's not terrible. It's got a nice density to it where I think I can use it to apply it to my lips. It's a little dense, but definitely to kind of, like, outline. If not, I can definitely see this brush for different use, like maybe some eyeliner, because it's pretty fine. Comes out to a point. Anyways, these are the colors. Pretty nice, honestly wearable colors. I think if you're on the fair side, this middle color here can definitely be a bronzer. I'm gonna swatch them for you. Let me actually come in a little bit closer. Yeah, these shades are not named or anything. It's just, I'm gonna go from left to right, okay? That's the first shade. I will swatch them. I just want to load them up on my finger. Second shade. Third shade. And there's a highlighter. See? Pretty. I will do up close swatches for you guys. Don't worry. Let's go this way. That's the first shade. And now I'm just going for my initial swatch. And gonna go down like that. So pigmentation is there. They were not joking about that. Wow, okay. Yeah, like I said, I could definitely see if you're more on the fair side, that middle shade, like that brownie shade, is gonna be a good like bronzer shade. For me, it's not gonna be a good bronzer shade. So, you know, I'm curious to see how it looks like as a blush. I'm going to have to end up mixing because I only have two cheeks. Unless I do one, and then a lip color. Maybe we'll do that. Alright, so here I have the e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Lip and Cheek Palette. There is a mirror here, and it's a decent sized mirror too. And here's the colors, or here are the colors, I'm sorry. Let me, there, that's better. So they're not named or anything. I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to go from, actually we'll start here. This is the highlighter. That's a heavy swatch, but if you kind of like blend it out, you get a nice, really pretty, kind of diffused glow. This is that next shade. It's like a pretty peach, like a pinky peach shade. These are buildable too, which is nice. This is that bronzy shade. Very pretty. And last but not least is this deeper shade. Alright. Obviously the highlighter is going to be the highlighter color. Okay, so let's just do it. Like I said, it is pigmented, so I'm going to work kind of in layers. I'm going to start off with this color. I don't know, it's just like speaking to me. Like I touched it, I kind of swatched it. I'm going to take it and just want to make sure I'm in focus. That's really beautiful. Oh, this is pretty. This color is really pretty. Oh my god. It almost looks like if I was running or something, you know? That's pretty. Oh, there's a little mirror. Look at that. There's a little mirror. Okay. So that's that color. Let's go in with... I'm going to try the brown color and see if I can use it as a bronzer myself. I don't know. I'm hopeful. Hey, it's not bad. Hold on. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's kind of like a bronzy color on me. That's really nice. Elf does an amazing job when they do like palettes like this, whether it's their contour palette, their blush palette. I was gonna review this, and I think I got it on Ulta, and I don't think it's available anymore. If you guys still want me to review it, let me know. It's their cream blush. I don't know. I mean, I'm still gonna use it. But I'm just saying. If you want the video, let me know. All right, that's not bad for a bronze, like kind of to warm up my skin to kind of balance it out. But I'm gonna go on top with that peachy shade now. This way you guys can see. Somebody was upset with me the other day because I layered bronzers over. Like, guys, I only have one base, so this is the best I could do. Gonna take that. Actually, here, I'll put it on my lip because it's a lip and cheek palette. Okay, on the lips, it reminds me of like lipstick. Like it's a little, it's not dry. It's not super dry, but it's like a traditional kind of lipstick formula, if that makes any sense. And this color is okay. It kind of makes me look dead. Look. Let me mix it with the darker one. That's better. Yeah, I can't really pull colors like these on my lips because they tend to look not good. Not crazy about it for my lips because of the color of my lips, but I think it's a pretty color. Like, you might like it. I'm just not crazy about it on my lips. Alright, I'm gonna put that lighter color on my blush, like on my cheeks as blush. Oh, see, as a blush it's better. So this is, I would almost say the finish is almost like semi-matte. Ordered these, I don't know if they still have them. Elf has the Airbrush Stippling, but they were on sale for like $4, and I think they're usually like $10, $12 even at CVS. So if you find them on sale, get them. Everybody raves about them. I'm gonna, yeah, oh, that's pretty. Okay. That's pretty. That peachy color is nice to like kind of like lift and brighten up my face. That's good. I'm gonna take the highlighting color. The highlighting color, as I'm swatching it, is a little patchy. Can you see that? Wait. I hope you can see that. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's see. Does not translate patchy though on the skin. Oh, it's a very like soft, focused kind of highlight. Okay. Okay. I like it. Pretty. Okay. All right. Formulas are really beautiful. What does this remind me of? Definitely like your traditional sort of like cream cheek colors. Sort of, okay, let's see. If you know this, then maybe this will make some sense to you. If you've ever tried the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge, that's what the formulas kind of remind me of. So if you're familiar with that, the color payoff is there. Like, I feel like I could see the color. I feel like you could see the color. I prefer it as blush over lips. Though it's not bad. It's, I guess it's kind of like a nude color. You know, I don't mind it. The highlighter's pretty. It's soft. This does retail for $8, which I think is a very good deal. Yeah, I think Elf delivered with this one. The pigmentation is there, the blendability is there. Like you saw, I kind of like pat, 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 and I was done. You can use a brush as well, just to kind of, this brush is amazing, just to kind of get the job done a little bit faster. But I definitely think, and I agree, it's one of those kits where you can kind of just throw in your purse and do it. Let me see something, because I would think you can put it on your lids, right? Oh yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. This is that like brownie bronzy shade. Very pretty, very natural. This is very like, very much my vibe, to be honest. I like it. I hope I don't look too shiny. It's a little bit hot and I don't have my AC on, so if I'm like shiny here, it's because I'm sweating. It's not my makeup or anything. I'm just sweating. So, all right, let me get in a little bit closer so you guys can see what's going on. Really pretty. Oh, great palette. If you've been questioning, do I get it? Should I not get it? Go buy it. I don't think it's going to disappoint you at all. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I'll see you in my next